Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Disha Khakhar. I hope you have watched yesterday's video and you must have understood that why your English is not improving. Today's video is a bit interesting because I have come up with 25 words which you must be mispronouncing it. Well, so these words are going to help you to speak in day-to-day life, and also it will make you understand the correct pronunciation of that word. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So word number 1 is comfortable. Well, I'm sure that you must be speaking it comfortable because there is table at the end, but the word is comfortable. Comfortable, right? Word number 2 is breakfast. Are you calling it breakfast? It's wrong. It should be breakfast. Breakfast. Yes. Number 3 is vegetable. Vegetable. Well, again the same. Are you pronouncing it as vegetable? Then it's wrong. It should be vegetable. Okay. Number 4. That is women. Women. Okay. That is W-O is not pronounced as woo, because when you are having a single woman in front of you, you are calling it as woman, but there are multiple ladies in front of you, then we are calling those ladies as women. Okay. So it's we and men. Women. Right? Then, are you calling this as almond? No, it's almond. Almond. Okay? Almond. Then the other word is tomb. If you're calling it as tomb, then it's wrong. It's tomb. Okay? Tomb. Number 7 is ball. It is not bowl. It's ball. Okay? Ball. Number 8, everybody's favorite, that is pizza. It is not pizza. It is not pizza. It's pizza. Pizza. Okay? Number 9 is genre. It is not genre. It's genre. Okay? Genre. Number 10 is sour. You can rhyme it with power. So it is sour. Okay? Sour. Number 11. Are you calling it police? It's police. Police. It is not police. Okay? Number 12. Are you calling this as suit? It's wrong. It's sweet. Okay? Sweet. Suit is like this, and sweet in the sense room. Okay? Hotel room is normally called as suite. Then number 13 is dessert. Okay? Like normally we have some sweet after dinner, then we call it as dessert. It is not dessert. It's dessert. Right? It's dessert. Number 14 is a type of coffee, that is espresso. It is not espresso. It is espresso. Right? Espresso. Easy? Number 15 is very common these days and it is trending a lot. That is mim. Okay? If you're calling it as meme, then it's wrong. It's mim. Mim. Yeah? Number 16 is often. It is not often, it's often. Often means frequently. Often. Number 17 is niche. It is not niche, it's niche. Okay? Number 18 is the topic what we are discussing right now, that is pronunciation. It is not pronunciation. Normally we are getting confused with pronounce and pronunciation, right? And we are calling it as pronunciation, but it is pronunciation. Okay, pronunciation. Number 19, which everybody is doing it daily, that is status. You must be changing your WhatsApp status every day. So that is status. It is not status. It's status. Okay, status. Number 20 is coupon. It is not coupon. Like normally we get discount coupons. So it has to be coupon, not coupon. Okay, so it is coupon. Number 21, which makes us cry every time whenever we chop, that is onions. Those are not onions. Those are onions. Onions. Okay. Number 22, it is favorite of all the ladies out there. That is jewelry. Jewelry. It is not jewellery. It's jewelry. Okay. Number 23 is data. It is not data. If you're calling it as data, then it's wrong. It is data. Okay, data. 24 is develop. Develop, not develop. It's develop. Develop, development. Okay. And last for the day, that is number 25, either. Okay, there are some people who are calling it as either, and there is nothing wrong in it, but still we are pronouncing it as either. Okay, that is either. So this was it about today's session. I hope you liked it. Please make sentences of each of the words whichever we learned today and put it in the comment section. I assure you I'm going to reply each of the comments, and this is how we are going to grow, right? If you like the video, then please like, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.